Hello and welcome back to TMG Trades, the happiest cryptocurrency channel in all of YouTube, where I upload my Bitcoin analysis as soon as I've completed it. And this is one of those occasions whereby the price of Bitcoin is looking up. Everything in the crypto markets looks absolutely fantastic today. We made 150% profit overnight on one altcoin on the main channel, which is That Martini Guy, which, by the way, you need to go follow the main channel at That Martini Guy on YouTube. Make sure you're following if you're not already. That's where I talk about altcoins for the most part. This is mainly the Bitcoin trading channel. So if you want that, again, subscribe to this channel and make sure you've slapped a like on this video. Today's like goal is 1,000 likes, and if everybody watching this video likes it, then we might just hit it. We've still not hit 1,000 likes on one video yet, so that would be amazing from my perspective if we could hit that. So if you wouldn't mind, slap a like. Anyway, starting out, we're going to analyze the price of Bitcoin. Now, the price of Bitcoin right now, it looks great. I know that we had this drop down yesterday and everyone was kicking themselves going, oh, it's going to go wrong. This is just because a little bit too much leverage in the market, a little bit boisterous, weren't we? I had to close my Bitcoin position so they didn't get liquidated, and I've since opened a very small one on Prime XBT, for which you'll find a link in today's video description. My Bitcoin position overall, as you can see, is about $1,300 in profit, so that's looking very nice right now. But again, you can sign up to Prime XBT in today's video description. They give you $7,000 for free for just signing up. All you need to do is make your first deposit and use code TMG. Now, when it comes to my open cryptocurrency trades, we have these ones left down here. My Ethereum trade, my Solana trade, my Shiba trade, and my Phantom trade. My ETH, my Solana, and my Phantom trades are all doing stupendously well with 36K, 30K, and 25.5K. All of them look great. But the question is Bitcoin and Ethereum just going to go from here, or are we going to go back to the upside? Now, let's do some analysis, shall we? Because Bitcoin, like, this is a nice bounce. Like, so it threw me a bit of a surprise today. I longed Bitcoin down here, expecting a bit of a bounce, but this was an amazing bounce. This, to me, signals that actually bullish times are back on, ladies and gentlemen. We look down here, we have just about to go cross bullish again on the MACD on the 4-hour chart, which is what we're currently on. But if we go over to the 1-hour chart or the 2-hour chart, you can see we've already crossed bullish on the 2-hour, which I accidentally just clicked. On the 1-hour, we're already bullish again. We'd be expecting this price right here to come up and test this level of resistance. If we hit this level of resistance around $47,200, if we break to the upside of it, then happy days. We are in the money at that point in time. However, just before we continue today's Bitcoin analysis, I want to bring some cryptocurrency news to your attention right now. So let's get straight into it. We've got a few stories that I want to bring to your attention today. The first one is not that one, it's this one, which is investment bank Citi is bullish on the metaverse and predicts a $13 trillion economy. If that is the case, that is bigger than what Bitcoin is. That is half the current market cap of gold. And that is, in fact, is it bigger than gold's market cap? It might be bigger than gold's market cap. I thought gold's market cap was 26 trillion, but actually I think I'm wrong. I think that gold's market cap is 4 trillion, which means that they're predicting a market cap over 3 times the size of gold. It's America's cash supply that is $26 trillion. That's the figure that I've got in my head. So they're actually expecting the metaverse to be worth half of the current cash in circulation in the USA, which is absolutely huge. And if that was to be happening, then Citibank, well, obviously they're investing in crypto right now, which brings us on to our next very interesting cryptocurrency story. I'm just going to show you it right now. The next cryptocurrency story would be this one right here, that US companies must disclose customer crypto holdings, says SEC. The SEC will require companies holding users' crypto to account for those assets, clearly disclosing the nature and amount. This is really interesting again, because this means that we're going to find out which major companies in the USA actually hold cryptocurrency, because they now have to declare it, and now it becomes public knowledge, essentially, who is holding crypto and who is not holding crypto, which, to be honest, I don't really agree with the rule. I think it's a stupid rule. I think it's completely up to the individual if they hold crypto or not. But if we have a bunch of, like, Microsoft holds crypto, Apple holds crypto, we know that they already do, but when that news hits the mainstream media, wha-bam, the price goes up. It's great. Now, when we come to that final cryptocurrency news story today, we have the final one, which is the SEC denying Bitcoin ETF from Cathie Wood's ARK Invest. Not very bullish news. The bullish news will be when the Grayscale Spot ETF gets approved later this month. Now, when we come back to Bitcoin's price and we complete our Bitcoin analysis for the day, what are we expecting when it comes to Bitcoin's price right now? Well, it seems pretty clear to me that Bitcoin just got rejected at this level of resistance right here. This level of resistance is currently sitting, as you can see, at $46,800. We struggled to break above it, but that doesn't come as any surprise, seeing as though we start the day down at $44,000. We literally touched $44,000. And as far as I'm concerned, this is a nice price reset, and everything to me is looking great right now. Even on the daily, we're still bullish on the daily down here on the MACD. The RSI is looking fine. I know a lot of people criticize me for using two very basic indicators, but ultimately, you don't need to overcomplicate it. So many people in crypto completely overcomplicate their analysis. If you follow very simple support and resistance levels, use the MACD, use the RSI, it's kind of all you need. And anybody telling you need more than that is just probably trying to sell you an indicator. You can use more than that. I'm working on a method to try and basically have 100% accuracy when it comes to a trading indicator. And I've been working on this now for 3 to 4 months. Eventually it will go live. It's probably got another 3 to 4 months development work on it. But it'll go live through the cryptosavingexpert.com website. But that, again, that's not live yet. So we're going to do a whole product launch, and then we're going to launch more features on top of it. But yeah, when we do our indicator, it will be through cryptosavingexpert.com, which, by the way, if you're not following Crypto Saving Expert on Twitter, you should do, because we still post news and analysis and that kind of thing on the Crypto Saving Expert account. So make sure you're following the Crypto Saving Expert account on Twitter. Anyway, when it comes back to Bitcoin's price, everything is looking great right now on the daily, on even the 15-minute, like things. On the 15-minute, it does say that we're probably going to come and pen it out a little bit, to be honest. But for now, what we're looking for, the main thing, is a break of that $47,200 level. Break $47,200, we go back to the moon. If we break below this support level here, which is currently sitting at $46,000, is quite likely at that point in time. However, I find this quite unlikely. If we break below this level here, we'll just kind of poop and do that. So just be careful. $46,000 and $47,200 are the levels of which to watch. And if you are going to trade, please help me out and trade on my referral links. It does help inspire me to make more and more videos because it gives me a source of income for making these videos, which I don't get paid for. I just do them because I enjoy them. So if you want to help me out, use my referral links. You'll find them for exchanges in today's video description. Now, when it comes to the next coin that we want to discuss in today's video is Ethereum. But just before we discuss Ethereum, I want to show you what happened to the Dow Jones index today. The Dow Jones index bounced just a little bit. The Dow Jones index is up 0.36% so far today. This is the 15-minute chart. We rallied just a little bit to the upside. I think we opened trading around these levels right here. So to be honest, not a lot has happened with the Dow Jones today, having came down quite significantly yesterday. This is the current price of Ethereum. Ethereum on the indicator is about to go bullish on the 4-hour MACD. That should, in theory, cause us to pop the top here, and it just might not stop, which is why I'm currently holding my Ethereum long position. I'm going to add to my Ethereum long position if we break above the level of resistance. The level of resistance to be watching right now on the current price of Ethereum, if we zoom in on the chart and go down to the 30-minute chart to get the most accurate data we possibly can, the current level of resistance for Ethereum is currently sitting, let's call it 350. Use your brain, man. $3,500. That is the current level of resistance for Ethereum. So if we break above $3,500, currently we're very, very close. So if we break above it, I will be going even more long on Ethereum because I think that we'll just pop and not stop at that point, because our next level of resistance after $3,500, if we zoom out on the chart, essentially, we should pop all the way up to these levels right here. We should go all the way up here, and that would mean that we should pump, in theory, to around $3,850, which, for me, that's a great gain, is that? Because that is a $350 gain. With 10x leverage on something like that, you can make an awful lot of money. So that is my aim of the game right now. I'll be trading this market with leverage. And if we look down here on the MACD and RSI, these things are looking beautiful right now. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it has been very useful to you. If it has, slap a like on it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Turn on channel notifications. Don't normally wear a white shirt, but today I wore a white shirt. So I hope you enjoyed that as well. Have a great day, everyone. See you in the next video. Goodbye.